Oh, people lying on the floor. Someone there, look. Someone's built a bed there. Look at this. Look at this. Someone's built their own room here in the hallway. Oh, look at that. It's got a right little setup here. Got some curtain. Got some meals next to him. Wow.
I'll be honest, guys, we've got to walk to the very end of the train, but it's the same thing. We've gone for about 6, 7, 8 carriages. It's the exact same where we are, so we're going to head back.
How are you enjoying your Indian sleeper train experience? Your first one? Say no more. Let's go back. Whoa! Oh, this one's alright. There she goes.
No.
Oh, you're having a laugh. Bad?